Hello you guys, in this video I'm going to create this spring makeup look, and for that I have already prepped my skin with using sunscreen and moisturizer. Now I'm applying this Prima water all over the face and dabbing it with using my hand so that the Prima water will get absorbed into the skin and make it more hydrated. Now jumping on the second step of makeup, that is cancelling out the darkness on the face. For that I'm using this concealer. Even though I don't have the prominent dark circle or acne marks on my face, but still I use a concealer just to even out my skin tone. See, using concealer is completely optional. You can use it or skip it according to your liking or choices. Now applying this strobe cream by MAC on the higher points of my face just to make my skin more glowy and dewy from within. In summers, powder product tends to sweat off very easily, and to avoid this I try to not use powder highlighter as much as possible. For the foundation, use less product because foundation won't let your skin breathe, and it can cause you to feel hot and sticky. So instead of foundation you can also use BB cream or CC cream in summers. Here to set my foundation I am using this loose powder in small quantity. Again, here I would recommend to use less product, and you can skip the powder if you have the dry skin type. I always prefer applying lighter shade concealer underneath of my eyeshadow. It's just because it helps in keeping the eyeshadow color vibrant throughout the day. So in this video I'm going to use this Mass Cosmetic basic eyeshadow palette, and going to take this peachy nude color and applying all over my eyelid as a base eyeshadow color. So guys, can you see the pigmentation? It's supremely pigmented and can be blended on eyelids very easily, and also they don't give any kind of fallouts on the face. So yeah, I absolutely love this palette. Applying the same color on my lower lash line with using the flat eyeshadow brush. For the kajal, I'm going to use this gel liner by Maybelline and applying on my lower lash line. Also here I'm extending the kajal to the outer corner and just creating the winged liner. I think this eyeliner technique will help in creating the most classy eyeliner, and also it will give the foxy eye like illusion to the eyes. It's the summer makeup look, and how can I forget about colors? So here I'm using the most favorite color of mine, that is the lime green color, and applying on my eyes just like the eyeliner. Here I'm trying to keep my eye makeup very simple and subtle because it's summers again and I cannot sustain in heavy makeup. So yeah, I'm just keeping it simple. Guys, look at the color payoff, it's outstanding, and I always fall for this color. You know, one of the reasons why I bought this palette is just because of this particular color. Now highlighting the inner corner of my eyes with using the same color, but this color is in glittery form. See, after applying the glitter, it adds an luminizing shadow to the inner corner of the eyes. Now I'm finishing out this eye makeup by applying the strong coat of mascara on the lower as well as upper eyelashes. For the brows, I'm using this NYX More Precise Brow Pencil, and with using this pulley, I'm going to brush the brows hairs in upward direction and then define the lines of the brows, and I'll finish the brows with filling the sparse areas. So for the blush I have decided to go with this pink color because I think this pink color will go very well with the eye makeup. And here you can see I'm applying the blush on the temples of my face and extending towards the cheekbone area so that I'll get the lifted sort of effect. Now to bring back shadows to my face, I'm using this bronzer and applying very lightly on my cheekbone area as well as on the temples of my face. Now to bring back the shadows on my nose too, I'm applying this bronzer on the bridge of my nose. Now to highlighting the higher points of my cheeks, I'm applying these strobe creams. As I have earlier mentioned that I try to avoid powder highlighters in summer, so I think strobe creams or illuminating creams are the best alternatives in summers. To lock in everything on the face, I'm applying this makeup setting spray. For my lips, I'm going with this nude pinky lipstick by Smashbox. It is in the shade Gulabi. This is such a stunning color and I really love it. Now to mute down this pink color, I'm applying this nude brown color on the top of it. So here it is my colorful summer makeup look, and I think summer is all about natural glow, so that's the main reason I have kept my base very simple and lightweight. With the same time I have elevated this makeup look by adding the touch of colors on my eyes. I think there is no thumb rule for summer makeup look. You can do it according to your choices and it is very subjective, but you can always follow the basic makeup tips. I hope you have enjoyed this makeup look, and if you did so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye, take care.